My name is Kelsey Hernandez, and I'm a recording arts major.
My name is Kyle Bailey, and I'm a recording arts major.
I'm Alex Hansen, and I'm a recording arts major here at Chico State.
My name's Ian Parent, and I am a recording arts major here at Chico State.
Here at Chico State, the recording arts program is one of the most in-depth programs that you'll get for recording arts.
The recording arts program is fantastic. You work with state-of-the-art technology.
There's a couple things that make Chico State stand out from the rest of the pack. One thing is 24-hour access of studios, so students have the availability to go in whenever they want. Another thing that makes Chico great is professors. We have lots of great professors with great backgrounds.
The great thing I love about the recording arts program here is that the instructors are vast sources of information. They've been working with the industry for so many years, and they really provide you with all the tools you need to get you out there in the field with incredible knowledge.
The faculty here are amazing, they're hands-on.
We have phenomenal teachers and instructors who really care about the progression of our learning.
We have 3 different studios to work with, each one of them having their own different characteristics.
All of the equipment and technology is up to date.
You can work on the TOF console, the API console, or the SSL studio console.
So by the time we're done with the program, we become more familiar and we can work with any studio.
For anyone who's looking into recording, even if you haven't recorded in the past, I recommend Chico State because they start from the ground up. They teach you the basics of how to record in all formats. They teach about the industry before you can even apply to get into the program, which is impacted.
Because of the application process, you're able to get smaller class sizes and more individual time within the studio and with your professors.
It's just a really special program because they teach you everything you need to know, and they really pay attention to you and your learning and your progression as a student.